This is the Ninja Air Fryer XL, and I just love this in my kitchen. Really, basically, I just throw stuff in here, turn it on, and it's delicious. So especially this is good for frozen foods, hot dogs, chicken nuggets, chicken wings. You can do up to 3 pounds of French fries or 3 pounds of chicken wings. So the XL really has quite a big capacity. See there? Here's the interface. You can set the temperature, the time, choose whether you're going to air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, or dehydrate. And on the side here, it's pretty handy. It actually gives you a little guide to temperature and cooking time of some popular items. So this is just easy, 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 and we love it for our family.
Hi, I'm Jessica, and Ninja reached out to me to introduce you to their latest Amazon exclusive, the Ninja Air Fryer XL. This air fryer takes traditional air frying methods to the next level. It can accommodate all your cooking needs, plus it's large enough to cook meals that will leave the whole family happy and full. You can also use this air fryer to make all your favorite sides and snacks. It offers a wide temperature range up to 400 degrees and also has a 5.5 quart capacity, which allows you to cook larger food portions like a whole chicken or up to 3 pounds of French fries. Not only can you air fry, but you have the ability to choose from 4 other functions, including air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Crisp up your favorite vegetables with the air roast function, or use it to prepare a healthy and delicious side like balsamic Brussels sprouts in no time. That's my family's favorite. Make your favorite baked goods like biscuits, brownies, and mini pies using the bake function. The reheat function is perfect to warm up leftovers, and I love the dehydrate function for easy snacks like dried apples or pineapples, which my kids absolutely love. With the Ninja Air Fryer XL, you also receive this recipe inspiration guide to help you get started. Learn about the different foods and snacks you can easily whip up in your air fryer. Now let's see how this works. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook up chicken wings fast. To get started, you'll need 2 pounds of uncooked chicken wings, 1 tablespoon of canola oil, or you can substitute avocado oil because it also has a high smoke point, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. First, insert the crisper plate into the basket. Next, preheat your air fryer by selecting the air fry function. Set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and set the preheat time to 3 minutes. Select Start Pause to begin. Now that you have successfully preheated the air fryer, it is time to prep the chicken wings. Simply toss the wings in a bowl with oil, salt, and pepper. I like to use my hands for this to make sure everything gets really well coated. Next, place the wings on the crisper plate and reinsert the basket. Then, reset your time to 20 minutes and press Start Pause to begin air frying your wings. After 10 minutes, press Start Pause to pause your unit. Open the basket and give those wings a toss. For the best results, we recommend shaking or tossing your food halfway through its cook time. This will help provide an even crisp to your wings. Once cooking is complete, you can either enjoy them as they are or toss them in a marinade of your choice, such as lemon pepper or buffalo to give some extra flavor. Today, I'm going to toss mine with a little honey, sriracha, and lime juice. To achieve this great flavor, whisk together 2 tablespoons sriracha, 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice, 2 tablespoons rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons honey, and 1 tablespoon sugar. Then toss the wings in the sauce to enjoy a delicious meal. It's better than takeout, y'all. When you're done cooking, cleanup is a breeze. The XL basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe. Just place them in the top rack of your dishwasher and you'll be ready to cook again in no time. Looking for more recipe inspiration or have more questions? Visit ninjakitchen.com to find everything you're looking for.